Psychology says the more decisions you make throughout the day, the harder it becomes to make good ones. This is called decision fatigue. Here are 4 ways to recognize it and make better decisions faster. Point 1. Stop wasting energy on small decisions. Every choice from what to wear to what to eat uses mental energy. That's why many successful people simplify daily routines so they can save their focus for the decisions that matter most. Point 2. Make important decisions. Early research suggests your mental energy is often strongest earlier in the day. Tackle your biggest decisions when your mind is fresh instead of waiting until you're mentally exhausted. Point 3. Limit your options. Having too many choices can actually make decision-making slower and more stressful. Narrow your options to the best 2 or 3, then choose confidently instead of endlessly comparing every possibility. Point 4. Trust your system, not your mood. Instead of making decisions based on how you feel in the moment, create simple rules or checklists. Systems reduce overthinking and help you make faster, more consistent choices. The goal isn't to make perfect decisions every time, it's to avoid wasting your mental energy on unnecessary ones. The less you overthink, the more energy you have for the choices that truly shape your future.